Staring at a no-signal screen and don't know what to do? Before you start pulling out cables or panicking, let me show you 10 quick. First, check cable connections. If your monitor isn't receiving a signal, it might just be that the cable connecting your computer to the monitor is loose. Double-check both ends of the cable, whether it's HDMI, VGA, or DisplayPort. Unplug and replug them securely to make sure they're firmly in place. If the cable looks damaged, maybe frayed or bent pins, replace it. A faulty cable can stop your monitor from displaying anything. Next up, many monitors today have multiple input ports like HDMI, VGA, or DisplayPort. If the input source on your monitor isn't set to the correct one, you won't get a signal. Press the menu button on your monitor and check which input source is selected. If you're using an HDMI cable, make sure the monitor is set to HDMI. Sometimes, the issue isn't the monitor at all. It's your computer's graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can stop your PC from communicating with your monitor. Connect PC to other monitor. Head over to your graphics card manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Once installed, restart your computer and see if that solves the problem. If the issue still isn't fixed, try a different cable or port. Sometimes, the cable or port itself is the problem. For example, if you've been using an HDMI port, try switching to DisplayPort, or try a different HDMI cable altogether. This can help pinpoint whether the cable or port is faulty. Moreover, a loose or faulty graphics card can cause the no-signal error. First, turn off your computer and unplug all cables. Open the case and check if the graphics card is properly seated in its slot. If it looks loose, gently push it back in. Also, check other components like RAM sticks. Still no signal? Test the monitor on another device, like a laptop or a different computer. If the monitor works fine, then the problem is likely with your PC. But if it doesn't work on another device either, the issue might be with the monitor itself, and you may need to get it repaired. Another reason you might be seeing no signal is power supply issues. Make sure the monitor is receiving power. If you suspect the power cord might be the problem, try swapping it out or plug it into a different outlet. Your screen resolution could also be causing the problem. If the resolution is set too high for your monitor to handle, it won't display anything. Boot your PC into safe mode, where it runs at a lower resolution, then change the display resolution in the settings. If you're using an adapter, like HDMI to VGA, check that it's working properly. A faulty adapter can also cause the signal to get lost. You might need to replace it if it's not functioning as expected.